Meaning of good humor.
Good humor.
Good humor.
Good humor.
Good humor. The term good humor refers to a positive and optimistic outlook towards life. It is characterized by a cheerful and joyful disposition, where one is able to find the humor and positivity in even difficult situations. People with good humor tend to be more resilient in the face of adversity, and are able to maintain a sense of perspective and balance. They are also able to spread positivity and uplift those around them, contributing to a happier and healthier environment. Overall, having good humor can lead to a more fulfilling and enjoyable life.